In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country or region of your TikTok account. So ideally, people do that because of monetization. There are countries, I think most African countries can't monetize their TikTok views, but then they can get money from live and the rest. So you'd have to change your TikTok account's country to one that is being monetized. So in this case, you can get money from your views. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. But then it's not advisable to, change the location of your old account to a new one and then you expect to be making money from it. You'd have to create a new one, change the location, and then wait for some time for the account to be stable before you start using it. So now let's get going with the tutorial. So to do this, you can see I'm on my TikTok profile here. So I just tap on this side and then I move to my settings and privacy. Let me drag this tab there and then let me tap on that. So on here, we move to our account here. And then on here too, we move to account information as well. Let me drag this on top. So here, let's tap on account region and you can see my account region here. So that's the location I chose when I was creating my account. Okay, so the countries are here. You can see the country I selected when I was creating my account. So now let me scroll down to United and let me choose let me choose any of these countries. I wanted to choose United Kingdom, but then I'm not finding United Kingdom. So now let me choose the US. So that's it on how you can change your country. So now you just change your country and you're good to go. So if you're new here, do well to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.